Overnight into Friday morning is a brief dry spell and still mild with temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60. By Friday afternoon, we're stuck in the 60s, if not close to 70. But case in point being, it's a well below average day Friday, and all for good reason. That slow-moving system to our west starts to push heavy rain, torrential downpours, and embedded thunderstorms our way by Friday afternoon. It continues Friday evening. It continues dangerously overnight Friday through early Saturday. And these waves of heavy rain and embedded storms moving over the same areas over and over again. All of that rain in the same communities over a short amount of time. You know where we're headed with this. It's the classic setup for flash flooding. We're talking an average, widespread, 1 to 3+ inches of rain between Friday and early Saturday. That means a marginal to slight risk for flash flooding region-wide. The greatest risk for flash flooding located across northern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and southern Quebec. Showers thin out by later Saturday. The flash flood risk comes to an end. And then we warm back up to near 80 with a mix of sun and clouds by Sunday.